Hey guys, this is Ryan and I wanted to make a quick video for you today, review of Skin Whitening Forever, which is a product that is designed for whitening your skin easily, naturally, and giving you the lasting results of lighter and whiter skin. And a lot of people really believe that having lighter skin would not be possible, but it is actually possible, and it's possible to do it naturally without drugs and really in just a few days' time. So what I want to do is kind of ask you a few questions first. If you're suffering from any type of low self-esteem or depression or anything because of how dark or uneven your skin color is, if you're embarrassed to go in public because of the way your skin looks, if you're tired of wasting money on expensive skin whitening products or anything else that you see here, this is something that you need to highly consider. Skin Whitening Forever is a product that is helping people just like you and just like myself, and you really are not alone. There's all different types of people that are wanting whiter, lighter skin, and this is something that can do it for you naturally. Not only can it help you, but the creators of the Skin Whitening Forever product are so confident that they could providing the bold statements that other people have made, like Maria Black here and Olanda, where they were talking about the stuff that they've tried that was so expensive before and it never worked for them, and now they found a cheap and easy solution to use that is helping them naturally with Skin Whitening Forever. You can read all these testimonials and what people have had to say about Skin Whitening Forever by visiting the link right below this video. I highly encourage you to read every word on the page, as you're going to learn a lot about everything that Skin Whitening Forever does for you. You're also going to learn how to whiten your skin naturally, safely, and in the comfort of your own home. You're going to learn the easy way to whiten skin pigmentations, freckles, age spots, any acne marks, or dark underarms, any of that type of stuff you'll be able to work with. How to make your skin whitening creams for pennies as opposed to paying hundreds of dollars for them from expensive retailers. About how to use powerful skin whitening ingredients that can be bought cheaply from any grocery store, why skin color constantly changes by itself, and how you can take advantage of that to have even toned skin that is absolutely beautiful, how to prevent discoloration and skin darkening, and even blotches from happening in the first place. And there's a whole lot more. But one of the things that I really want to highlight here is for the Skin Whitening Forever product, you're going to be paying only a one-time payment.
Hi guys, what's going on? I wanted to make my personal review because I had a lot of people asking about it on my main channel. I did my preliminary research, compared other products, checked reviews, and still ended up getting it. Absolutely amazing results so far, and I couldn't be happier. I've been using it for a while now, and I've seen absolutely amazing results. Now looking back, when I was reading other people's reviews, they would rave about it. I thought it was all made up reviews because the reviews seemed simply astounding. Everyone loved this product. Now I understand why everyone was raving about it. When I compared it with the other products, it became quite obvious to me that the competition was all junk. I realized this after reading a few reviews and checking out some forums. Honestly, if you're considering buying this product, I'd recommend it. There's no other product that compares based off the results I had. Also included is a 60-day money-back guarantee, so if you don't feel satisfied, feel free to claim your money back, no questions asked. One last thing. I was snooping around online and came across this discount link. Thought maybe I'd share it with you guys. Down below in the description. I used it and saved a good chunk of money. Everyone loves to save money, right? Okay guys, thanks again for watching my video, and I hope you learn a thing or two. Make sure and grab the link in the description if you'd like to receive a huge discount. Have a good day, guys.